Listening to the U.S. State Department's press secretary Ned Price answering questions on the status of attorney Assem Ghafoor convinced me that his case is nothing but a throwback to the Old English proverb and the title of one of William Shakespeare's play, Much Ado About Nothing. Ghafoor is an American attorney who practices law in the United States. He is now being detained in the United Arab Emirates under charges of money laundering and tax evasion. Mr. Price said eloquently that his case is not political. However, this has not swayed over his supporters from pushing his case falsely as a case of major human rights violation. The current arrest of Ghafoor does not represent by all means any contravening of human rights. Spokesman Price said that the United States government is in touch with the Emirati Government over the detention of Ghafoor. He said verbatim that he is being treated humanly, that he has full access to consular consultations, and that he is getting a fair legal process tied to his arrest. Nevertheless, the quote and unquote rights groups are trying to instigate troubles and are demanding his abrupt freeing. Ambassador Price confirmed that Ghafoor's detention does not have anything to do with his work as a lawyer in the case of the murder of Jamal Khashoggi. It does not concern his list of clients, which include people involved in terrorism. Strongly, the senior State Department official verified that the arrest of Ghafoor does not relate to the visit by President Joe Biden to the Middle East last month. On the other hand, Ghafoor faces serious accusations. Not only is he embroiled in grave money crimes, there are allegations that he was engaged also in child porn activities. He is subject to a long and honest trial in the court systems of the United Arab Emirates. Mr. Price alluded to this, then he said the U.S. Department of Justice has information on Ghafoor and its officials are not willing to release it at the moment. Asim Ghafoor knew how to reach the highest levels in the U.S. government. He started from Texas, where he cultivated good relationship with one of its governors. Later, he worked closely with several Islamic groups that were affiliates and branches of the Muslim Brotherhood. He was close to many figures who were involved in a few extremist Islamic organizations. However, he was never caught up by any law enforcement agency for his suspicious work. Looking to these facts surrounding the arrest and future trial of Asim Ghafoor indicates that the American left and the bogus human rights groups will politicize his case to defame the United Arab Emirates. His case is an attempt by the Muslim Brothers to regain its political status after the Emirates and other countries exposes its religious fanaticism. Finally, the Emirates justice system will render the right judgment on Asim Ghafoor as United States officials declare.